Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. We are putting away some groceries from a quick grocery run pantry restock. We're going to decant some of these items. We're going to give a little tidy in the kitchen so that it just feels complete when we're done with this area. Then we're going to go ahead and put a new dog cover. We're going to do some Christmas decorating. The dog bed has the cutest snowflake holiday themed cover. I'm obsessed with it. It's so cute. And then we're also going to go into my office and do a couple of finish touches there as well. And if we have time, I would like to get the laundry room wrapped up as well as finish decorating for Christmas in there as well. Let's just see how far we get today. But I want to keep it a light day in the life homemaking type of day. So if you're new here, my name is Rita Slanina. I'm an actress, author, lifestyle content creator, and your shopping bestie over on Amazon Live. Be sure to catch us over there every week, Saturdays. It's so fun. We have such a good time over there. And who doesn't love to shop? And what perfect timing, right? But please go ahead, stick around. We do a lot of homemaking, cleaning, and all the things on this channel. And if that's stuff that you're into, please hit the subscribe button, like the video, and share it with all your friends. Okay, if you're ready to get this day started, so am I. So let's get to it.
It's Christmas time, You know that I can't take a breath when you're away. Each and every night I lay awake, hoping and praying that one day you gonna come around my door and say that baby you can't live without me and that you need me too. Underneath the blanket of snow and each and every season we seem to grow. It's hard to say how I feel inside, but every time you come around, boy, it's just like Christmas time. And I do whatever it takes to show and light the tree. Let's watch it glow, reminisce on all the fun times we had. Ain't it crazy how the years go by so fast? Each year the snow falls down on top of the tallest trees. Dig out your ribbons and bows, carolers walking along and singing, spreading that holiday cheer. Seem to keep on drawing us near, and baby you got me playing jingle bells. Baby, it's true. Underneath the blanket of snow and each and every season we seem to grow. It's hard to say how I feel inside, but every time you come around, boy, it's just like Christmas time. And I do whatever it takes.
You know what's funny? I used to think decanting was just for the Pinterest people, like who actually has time to pour cereal into a glass jar, right? But honestly, it's become literally one of my favorite little rituals every time I get back from the grocery store. There's something about taking all those bulky boxes and plastic bags and turning them into this clean, calming row of glass jars that just makes my brain go, ah. It's not even about being fancy, it's just about seeing less clutter, having less cardboard boxes, less excess packaging laying around. Everything looks lighter, neater, and somehow more peaceful. There's just such a cohesiveness, that comes along with a calmness that the brain just really, really thoroughly enjoys. Oh, and bonus, when things are this pretty, you actually want to keep them organized. So it's kind of the best trick I've ever accidentally fallen in love with. Well, here's a little sneak peek of what I'm decanting today. It's simple, practical, and just, to be fair, aesthetically satisfying. Tell me in the comments below, do you decant your grocery items week after week? Is that just too much for you to bear? What is your practiced ritual every week when you get home from the grocery store? And This glass ended up being broken, and I didn't realize it until after I poured my morning breakfast protein shake ingredients into the glass. So that's another glass down in the house. And if you're new here, I'll let you in on what I'm laughing about here is our dishes break on a regular basis. But this time, I think that last glass was definitely my fault because when I was washing the dishes, I thought I was clanging it a little bit too hard against like some of the other dishes in there, but I didn't see a crack while I was washing it. I only just noticed it right here. So I will take the L on this one. This one was totally my bad.
And light the tree. Let's watch it glow. Reminisce on all the fun times we had. Ain't it crazy how the years go by so fast? You know that I've been waiting for you to come home, baby, so we can hold each other this Christmas time. Together looking out the window, watching as the seasons go. I'm reminded you're my once in a lifetime. Underneath the blanket of snow, each and every season we seem to grow. It's hard to say how I feel inside, but every time you come around, boy, it's just like Christmas time. And I do whatever it takes to show and light the tree. Let's watch it glow, reminisce on all the fun times we had. Ain't it crazy how the years go by so fast? Underneath the blanket of snow, reminisce on all the fun times we had. It's Christmas time. Ain't it crazy how the years go by so fast?
All right, the groceries are finally put away. The kitchen is looking halfway decent again. And now I'm standing here thinking, what else did I want to get done today? And of course, my mind is drifting straight to that front lawn, which let's be honest, has come to a complete standstill. I have struggled all week and over the weekend to figure out what to do in that front lawn. And hang with me here with this little mini rant because, and maybe you can relate to this. And if you can, completely put some like light bulbs in the comment section if you relate to this. Half the lights that went up across the top of the house totally dead. Oh, I'm sorry. Did I say half the lights? I meant all. All of the lights that we have put up year after year that went on the top of the house, they're completely dead and they're gone. So those went to the trash last year. One of my light up deer family has officially crossed over to the great beyond. And yes, he had to be tossed. I believe it was the buck. uh, and I have two willow trees that are not cooperating. They are light up willow trees. They're really cool when they're lit up. They look great. But the strands have yellowed. I think that's an odd thing to happen. And I can't get them to stand up between the wind, the possible incoming rain, and just sheer stubbornness. They look like they've given up on Christmas entirely. So I'm at this point, I'm just kind of laughing about it because I don't know what to do next. I just don't. I have no idea. I have a couple pathway lights and I guess I could still put those up. I don't know. I'm really struggling with this. So, I mean, you just got to laugh about it because sometimes you just have to accept that the magic of the holidays comes with, if not a few burned out bulbs and broken branches, maybe all of them. And this really circles back to what I was telling you guys earlier about I don't know if my house is haunted or if I have little gremlins or ghosts in the house or something. Something constantly, like something's always breaking in the house. Tech is constantly breaking. And while I'm on this rant, I have to mention this. Last week, a tripod broke, two phone clips that help me use my cameras, my phones for filming also broke. That was like over the course of 2 weeks. So maybe not last week, but over the course of 2 weeks, two more of those things broke. And now I'm on another tripod with a phone clip, and it is a wobbler. It is going to break. So you just got to laugh, right? Let me know if any of this is sounding familiar to you. I don't know if it's just the time of year or what, what is happening, but I'm sort of just stuck with the front yard. I don't know what I'm going to do with the front yard, if I'm going to do it at all. I started filming it in the last video, and you can see where I was getting stuck. And I may have to order some new lawn ornaments. I would like to get maybe blankets of snow, the cheap snow blanket they have. You can find them pretty much anywhere. It's just really thin, white, fuzzy looking mock snow. Um, and maybe some like flocking for some of the arrangements I have outside the front door. Now, not outside the front gate or the lawn, but necessarily, but definitely in front of that front porch door in the courtyard. I think that'll be a nice touch to that. And it's a cheap fix too, right? It's nothing that's going to cost too much. I did kind of go overboard when I was shopping and doing decorating for fall, because it's literally my favorite. And I did bring in some new additions for Halloween as well. So it's sort of, I don't really want to do that for Christmas. I kind of want to keep it as minimal as possible. Um, I always say that, but if you know me at all, stuff shows up. But okay, anyway, I'm done ranting about that. But for now, just know that the front yard, not likely to get wrapped up how I'm going to like it this year. But I don't know. The tide may turn and we may all be surprised. Let me know how your Christmas decorating is going. Have you begun as of yet? Let me know. As of now, I'd like to move into the next room and start decorating some other areas. So let's just continue on today.
It's Christmas time, yeah. You know that I can't take a breath when you're away. Each and every night I lay awake hoping and praying that one day you gonna come around my door and say that baby you can't live without me and that you need me too. Underneath the blanket of snow and each and every season we seem to grow. It's hard to say how I feel inside, but every time you come around, boy, it's just like Christmas time. And I do whatever it takes to show and light the tree. Let's watch it glow, reminisce on all the fun times we had. Ain't it crazy how the years go by so fast? Each year the snow falls down on top of the tallest trees. Dig out your ribbons and bows, carolers walking along and singing, spreading that holiday cheer. Seem to keep on drawing us near, and baby you got me playing jingle bells. Baby, it's true. Underneath the blanket of snow and each and every season we seem to grow. It's hard to say how I feel inside, but every time you come around, boy, it's just like Christmas time. And I do whatever it takes to show and light the tree. Let's watch it glow.
how these decorations are coming out. I cannot be more excited how the office turned out. The dog bed is so cute. Oh my gosh. We're not going to have time to do laundry today. I think I'm going to save that for next time. I just want to really enjoy how the decorations are coming out. This is the recording studio. I'm so excited. I'll see you guys real soon. Bye.